in the morning, first thing. And then again, don't drink your calories. So in the morning, you might think that smoothie from that coffee shop is like loaded with vegetables. No, it's loaded with sugar and vegetables. I mean, sorry, I said vegetables. I mean fruits. Most smoothies have mostly fruits in them that are not any nutrition left in them. They're processed too much. Even if you're seeing them put the whole strawberries in there, that's great, but they're also, tell them not to put the sugar, right? Because it's loaded with sugar. And then coffee, we think, oh, it's okay to have coffee, but a lot of people load that up with sugar or cream or syrups. So don't do that. If you can in the morning, just try to even cut back on what your sugar is put in your drink. And then I say 0 sugary drinks. If you're going to have a soda and you think a diet soda is okay, no, it's actually better for your body to have the actual sugar in a Coca-Cola than a Diet Coke or a Diet Pepsi because of the chemicals in the artificial sweeteners. So you still gain weight because your body is being tricked into what's being put into it and how it's supposed to feel. So anyway, how can we have energy radiating out of us if we don't have enough of the right fuel? It's hard. That's a challenge. So let's I know that's a lot. My husband would say, okay, you just put a whole lot out there. I don't even know where to start. Start where you were this morning before I even came on. What do you want to say, ask, add, comment on? And Mr. Moyen, I forgot to make you make